Did you have any ice cream yet?
Hi, this is William, and welcome to Fly Spoke. And going to tie a wet fly for you tonight, dark Hendrickson. I call it an emerger, but it's actually a wet fly. But it is used when trout and landlocked salmon are chasing insects that are hatching through the water column, raising up to the surface, and basically emerging. You'll notice activity on the water, you'll see fish splashing, and there's no evident dry fly activity. They're chasing emergers to the surface, and this fly works great for it. Starting off with a Tiemco 2457, and like always, first thing I do is I take the barb down off the hook. And I'm going to use a rusty brown 8/0 uni-thread, and simply start putting on a base coat. And I'm going to go right into where the hook starts bending down. Trim my thread. First item, lemon wood duck, going in for the tail. And just take a modest, you're not looking for big quantities of anything. This fly should be very sparse. And this is a bit of a stubby little tail. Secure it. Trim it so that you're going up the body with your trim. And the second item going in the fly is this is Adam's Gray fine dubbing, and we're going to form a little tapered body. Keep it thinner down the back. Just wind it so it gets a little thicker as you move up, and cover up that wood duck. Alright, next item is I'm taking the natural red color, small tiny little tippet feathers from an Amherst crest, and I don't know if you can see that, it's got little black tips on it. Very translucent feather. And again, you're not putting a real lot on. And I'm just going to pull it into place. Easier to trim if you pull it back. Just put a couple of wraps over it. And just make sure it's where you want it to be. Just spin it right to where you want it to be. That's that. And the last thing, we're going to go back to the lemon wood duck, and we're going to take a, again, not too great a quantity, and we're simply going to tie in a wing. That's about it right to tail. This wing can vary in length slightly. Sometimes I tie it real short, almost just like it's a wing casing. But most of the time, this is the length. There it is.